drive safely, use polite language, and behave responsibly, our society will automatically become a better place. Schools, families, and communities play a major role in developing civic sense, but the greatest responsibility is with each individual. We must set an example through our own behavior. Instead of complaining our society, we should contribute to improve it. In conclusion, civic sense is not just a duty, it is a reflection of our character and values. Let us all take a place today to responsible citizen and help build a cleaner, safer and more disciplined society. Thank you. Be considerate, courageous and polite. Thank you. Maintain cleanliness, don't spit or litter on the road or throw garbage. Respect the value of time and respect the fellow citizen. Thank you. Pay your tax honestly. Pay your tax honestly. Take care of your personal hygiene.
Look, Ali is in front of these students. Oh, Ali. Oh, Ali, what are you doing, my friend? You should not behave like this with others, as they have feelings too. Oh, I'm sorry, I was born. इस वक्त की निकल कर कहाँ आती है? लेकिन ट्रैफिक सिग्नल रात दौड़ में भी हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। देशों में जाकर वहाँ की ट्रैफिक व्यवस्था की तारीफ तो बहुत करते हैं, लेकिन अपनी गाड़ी को सुविधा से कहीं भी पार्क कर देते हैं। खुद बात The first period has started.
जिसके दिल में ऐसी प्यास हो